Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick review, a unboxing, I don't know. I did not post when I post the video, I already did a review, but I'm not gonna film a review now, and I'm just gonna do the Instagram photo with it. Anyway, I did a story, did a story, when the guy that you guys saw doesn't call you, you go shopping and you buy whatever you want with it because you need to treat yourself. I don't know. I don't know. So I did that and I went to today is Saturday. So I went to Macy's today. I just came from the mall and I got something at the unbox department. Now I did back. It's been around for April. This is the receipt of it. I'm just gonna show you the receipt. Yeah. And this is the bag. And I believe this is the Kirby bag. Satchel. And I'm gonna do the unboxing for you guys. Yeah. So I just got the one. Literally, I just came from the mall like 10 minutes ago. So, and I don't have any backpack yet. So I'm so excited to move because I've been wanting a. Well, I got my eye on the bike since one of my that I follow on Instagram got the bike, and I think she got the pink one, and so this is the bag when he, I don't know, and I'm gonna do the I'm just gonna do the paper for now because I'm not gonna show you anymore because I didn't get any more. So I'm just gonna show you this video gonna be all about this beautiful bag. and the picture. Okay, and there's inside. Oh. So the inside typical magical packet. You got a shape packet here. You know the deal about magical bag. The older model because the new version is the not MK same magical. So this is the MK1, so this is the older model. And this is the bag. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna wear it with the corset, because I don't like, maybe I can wear it with the, I don't know. So this is what happens when the guy that you like doesn't call you back. You buy a freaking bag to make yourself better. So I did that, and yeah. And this is I will put the name down below. Kirby. Yeah, bag, and you guys, I wanting the bag for everything. I saw the girl from Instagram got the bag, and it's incredible. So I was not going to do a YouTube review, but I just want to I don't know. So this is the bag, and this is I got for under 230. So it's a good deal, and I don't have any monogram. I take off now. This is PVC. This is plastic. Now this is leather. So it got a nice MK yak. Also the bag, it got a GoPro pocket in the back of the bag. It got a nice dealing for the top. You guys know me already. I don't use the top on the back. But I'm not gonna show you the top with it because I don't know. I never use the top. Do you guys use your top? Because I never use mine. I don't know. Yeah. And this is the trap. So I guess you can make it a got body. This is all together. So yeah. That's it. I will talk to you guys later, and I'll see you soon. Happy holiday, you guys. And this is my boyfriend, but back. So bye. Bye. Take care, you guys.